Hello friends, today we will learn how to install free SSL for our website. Okay, so Dell Hosting provides a free SSL certificate for all of your website. So you might have seen in our previous videos where we have installed WordPress on one of our domains called erenol.com. Now, as you can see that it is not secure, it says the connection to this site is not secure. And you might see that on a lot of banking website, you see a green color lock on here on the left. And that is really good if you are selling something on your website, or if you are capturing some information from your users. It's a sign of confidence. Your visitors know that your website is secure because you have a SSL certificate. It is very easy to install SSL on your website. So the simple steps are: you go on login, you log in with your details here, you land on your dashboard, then you go to client area. Once you are on your client area, you scroll down and click on hosting. You can also directly go by selecting the domain from the right. Once you have landed on your control panel, you scroll down where you will see SSL and TLS. Click on that. Here you will see a free wildcard SSL certificate for your domain. Now what you have to do is you have to just click on this activate free SSL button. It will activate your SSL certificate for your website within few moments. Successfully enabled your free SSL certificate. Now what you can do is you can also force that all of your pages should go with the HTTPS connection. This usually takes 30 minutes to take in effect, but I would recommend that you should use this option because that will make sure that all of your web pages will go through HTTPS. So when you click on it, it toggles the force SSL certificate. Now, as we know that previously it was not secure, but now it is. So when I go to HTTPS, it shows me that I cannot go in there because it's not private. Remember one thing, it takes around 30 minutes to get activated and you have to clear your cache. So once you have cleared your cache and once you visit the website again on https and your domain.com, it will be secure and you can see it here anyways. This is how you install your free SSL certificate. Thank you.